What's up, you guys? So don't mind the little glare from the sun. It is overcast. It's probably gonna rain. I should probably go change my shoes, but I'm not. So if you guys are new here, my name is Ashley and I make new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. It's been a while since I filmed. I have so much to tell you guys, so I think there will be an update video coming very soon. I'm not sure when, because I feel like there's so much I just need to tell you guys. So yeah, that's coming very soon, but today we're gonna save it and we're gonna go through this box. So I placed an order on Morphe and we're gonna open this if I can figure out how. And I'm going to show you guys what I got. It's probably going to be just a really quick haul. So I placed an order on Morphe last week, and I wish I didn't, unfortunately. I wish I would have went to Ulta, but it was the most affordable option for what I was getting. So hopefully I'm not disappointed. Hopefully I'm not disappointed with these items, because people on Twitter, some of my people that I follow, were really disappointed in the Jaclyn Hill palette, and that's what I purchased. So we shall see, but I'm going to show you guys what I got, because I got a few other goodies as well. So let's go ahead and get into the haul. Alright, so excuse my super rosy cheeks. I feel like I'm catching some type of cold or something. But the first item I picked up was from Jeffree Star. This is my very first Jeffree Star product. I'm just gonna be real with you guys. I was not a big Jeffree Star fan. He has said some stuff in the past that I'm just I don't agree with, and I watched the documentary that Shane Dawson did, and I feel like I have a little bit more knowledge on who Jeffree Star is, and a lot more about who he is now as a person. So I decided to just bite the bullet and order something from Jeffree Star. I am personally subscribed to his channel now. I enjoy his content. I don't think he's a bad person. So I got this, and I love this box too, but I got this from Jeffree Star. So this is the mini lip bundle, I believe that's what it's called, and it's his mini velour liquid lipsticks. You get a total of 7, 5, 6, 7, 8. You get a total of 8. So you get Skin Tight, Mannequin, Celebrity Skin, which I've been dying to try, Posh Spice, Rose Madder, Gemini, Leo, and Androgyny. And all of these colors, you guys, are literally right up my alley. Celebrity Skin looks gorgeous. Posh Spice also looks stunning. And they're just minis, which I think is honestly so great. This set was $54, so I don't know in reality if it was totally worth it. But I do get 8 mini Jeffree Star liquid lipsticks, which I'm never going to go through a full size anyways, and they're all nudes, which you can never go wrong with nudes. So I love the packaging, I love everything about this, so I am super excited to actually try these on and wear them. So yes, that's the first thing that I got. And the second thing that I got is the oh so controversial Morphe and Jaclyn Hill Vault collection. So the packaging does look very similar to the holiday collection from Becca Cosmetics. And I did not originally have the first Jaclyn Hill palette, which I did purchase. So I did end up purchasing that. It's right here, which the box is open, which is really also very weird. But I did purchase the first palette. I've been eyeing this at Ulta. I actually purchased this at Ulta. I don't know if it's in the in my Ulta haul that I posted a few months back, but I did pick this up at Ulta, and then I decided to return it because I didn't know if I fully wanted it. It was kind of a splurge, but I did go ahead and pick it up this time around, and I'm really excited about this palette. The Vault collection, I don't know yet, unfortunately, so I'm excited for this one though. You get the shade names on the back, which is really, really nice. And this palette was her first palette with Morphe. I do support Jaclyn Hill. I honestly love her so much. She's one of my first YouTubers that I've ever watched, and I have purchased everything. I have purchased everything that Jaclyn Hill has come out with, so I did want to support her and get this. So I'm excited to try this palette out. There's a lot of colors in this palette that I think I'm going to really, really enjoy. So that I did pick up, and then I also picked up the Vault collection like I was saying. So let me put this back really quick. I decided to pick this up as well. So this is the Vault collection, and it comes with 4 eyeshadow palettes. So let's take this out of the initial packaging here. Let's set that right there. So, okay. Alright. Oh, this is actually really cute. So, you have the palettes here. You have the palette names, and then the Jaclyn Hill X Morphe. And, oh, this like tugs, so you can like pull them out. So, the first palette here is Dark. So the first palette here is Dark Magic, right? Dark Magic? Yeah, Dark Magic. Oh, this is actually literally right up my alley. I love this green right here. This is so pretty, and it does have a mirror as well. Hi guys. I don't know. Obviously swatching it's gonna be a little bit different, but I'm excited to try that out. It definitely gives me like fall vibes, this palette, which is really exciting. And the next one is Armed and Gorgeous, which is like the yellow and green palette. Yeah, I like this palette too. It's definitely different, out of my comfort zone. Again, I really like this green. It makes me like think of like a sunflower, which I was gonna attempt something for Halloween. I'm not going to tell you guys what, but a sunflower is a hint. So we'll see if that turns out. But I also really like how the little sparkle things match the thing. So my package does say V2 on it, so I don't know. Again, everyone is concerned about like the whole V2, V1, V3. I don't know, but mine does say V2. Even this box right here does say V2. I'll show you guys V2. So again, I don't know what that means, what it stands for, but I thought I would let you know. So the next palette here is Bling Boss, which is purples and pinks. Which is this. Purples and pinks aren't my tones, but it is a really gorgeous palette. And I definitely thought Bling Boss and Ballsy were definitely like very similar looking at pictures online, and they are totally different. Bling Boss is more of like a champagne pink, while Ballsy definitely has more purple in it. So I know that was definitely one of my concerns. I was like, they literally look identical. They definitely are not even close to being identical. And the last one is Ring the Alarm, which is more of the red copper tones. So this color right here is literally speaking to me. So there's that one. So I'm excited to try these palettes out. I will be completely honest with you guys. I will not be returning them because I've heard that Morphe unfortunately has a terrible return status when it comes to their palettes. I've heard a lot of people say that they have to pay almost the amount of one palette back to return it, or to get a different one, and I don't think that's okay. I think if someone's not happy with the product, they should be able to return it for free. But on my Twitter timeline, I have heard of tons and tons and tons of people being mad because they have not been able to return their palettes because they have to pay for it, which I don't think that's right at all. So unless they get reimbursed the shipping at the end, which I don't think they are. So that is basically my little spiel on this palette here. I will definitely try it out. I don't know how soon I will be trying them out, unfortunately, just because of my update that I have to tell you guys about. But I'm gonna try my hardest. So if you guys enjoyed this Morphe haul, let me know. Again, I don't know when I will be able to try these items out like fully. It might be a little bit, so bear with me. So yeah, I don't know, we'll see. So I love you guys. Again, stay tuned for that update unless it's already out, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.